Yo, what's up, YouTube? We're gonna pop that box. My name is Mike, and today I have an epic unboxing for you. Welcome back, YouTube. So before we start, could you like this post? It will help out the channel out a lot, and I would really appreciate it. Now let's move along to this unboxing. So I got this box here from FlockedandFound. His real name is Jake. And you can find his Instagram in the description below. So these first set of pops, they were gifts from Jake. Praetorian Guard, number 200. And the Praetorian Guards, they are Kylo Ren's personal bodyguards. But here's a fun fact. The Praetorian Guard were an elite military unit from the Imperial Roman Empire. Director Oscar Krennic, number 142, and he served as the director of the Imperial Military Department of Advanced Weapons Research. He was also in charge of the development and construction of the Emperor's enormous Death Star super weapon. Poe Dameron, number 192. He originally served as a member of the Spice Runners of Kijimi, and you know he joined the Resistance. He pilots the T-70 X-Wing Starfighter. Jabba the Hutt. So I kept this Jabba the Hutt in its plastic because I like to keep things in the plastic. This will go with my meter from one of the smuggler's bounties I got back, I don't know, like 30 days ago. And here are the three out of the box. So I'll let you enjoy Praetorian Guard, Director Krennic, and Dameron out of the box. Thanks for the pops, Jake. They will look dope in my Star Wars collection. Now here's the next pop. Jin Sakai, number 621. This pop is a pop game from the game Ghost of Tsushima. He is the protagonist, and I really want to play this game, but I don't have a PlayStation 4. And here is Jin Sakai out of the box. As you can see, the GameStop exclusive is bloody. And since this pop is so dope, I'm keeping this one out of the box. Now this next pop is a Funko Shop exclusive, Franken Freddy, number 59. And if you don't know who Freddy is, he is the mascot for the Funko Company, so you know how to get him. Franken Freddy is a Funko Shop exclusive. And here is Franken Freddy out of the box. And since the Funko Company formed in the 90s, you can tell that Freddy Funko is a millennial because you can't stop looking at his phone. Frankenstein is always a staple for Halloween, so you know how to get this pop. So enjoy Franken Freddy out of the box. The next pop, it goes with my t-shirt. The Flash. Number 208. This Flash is from Justice League, the movie. And the Flash, he was always one of my favorite DC characters because he was so fast. Even Superman can't catch him. This is my favorite sailor. Sailor Moon, number 331. This pop is a box lunch exclusive. And if you don't know who Sailor Moon is, she likes to fight evil in the moonlight. And since I don't have any doubles, this one stays in the box. Alright, YouTube, so this is the last pop from FlockedandFound. Squirtle, number 505. And if you don't know what a Squirtle is, it's a tiny turtle Pokemon. It weighs roughly 9 kilograms, half a meter tall, and its hidden ability is Rain Dish. And you know we all want to be a part of the Squirtle Squad. And this one is the NYCC version. So YouTube, what do you think about this unboxing? Was it epic for you? If it was, can you hit the like button please? And if you haven't subscribed yet, can you subscribe and hit the notification button so you get notified when I upload another unboxing. And for the ones who didn't think it was epic yet, I have something for you. Batman, number 1. This is a Pop Heroes from 2016. This is the newer version since it's the blue and black box. But it's still dope, it's metallic, and it's a chase. Alright YouTube, well that's all the pops I have for you today. Make sure you like and comment which pop was your favorite. Thank you for watching, have a great day, stay safe, and I'll see you next Tuesday. Oh, but hold up. Have you seen last week's episode? We played some Chase Roulette with Aang, the Last Airbender. We also check out Shenron Metallic, Glow in the Dark. And this next video is recommended to you from YouTube. Peace.